Make sure you stick around and pay attention to the directions in this video for your chance to win some of the silver and copper within this package. In this video, I'm going to be revealing this new silver round. Is this silver worth getting? How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy talking about precious metals, so make sure you blast that subscribe button, get the bell notification click, that way you get updated with any new content. Today I'm going to be unboxing this new silver round, which was sent to me courtesy of JM Bullion. Thank you very much, JM Bullion, for sending this to me. Pretty big box here, actually. I'm not going to lie. They said they were going to be sending me something that they wanted me to reveal on the channel, and it feels like they sent me more than I was expecting. Now, I'm going to do my best to try to open this up without slicing my fingers off, because I've got a tripod right in front of me and the microphone and the helmet to my left, so it's got my arms wrapped around this tripod trying to not bang into it. But anyhow, this is a new silver round that JM Bullion just released. They've released it on their website, also on Prohibited Metals. And if you are interested, I actually do have a link in the description down below, which is a referral link for JM Bullion. If you ever buy anything off of their site, you definitely want to check out that link. You're not going to get any certain special discounts, not yet. I am speaking with JM Bullion about getting something like that in the works, but definitely check them out if you haven't done so already. They're very well known, and you definitely are missing out if you're not buying from JM. Let's see what I got in here. What did they send? Well, they sent a bunch of stuff. What did they send me? Hold on a second. Wow. What's the... Oh, and some capsules. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. Let's get this off here. It's making a mess on the desk here. All right. So, as I'm knocking everything off on the floor. All right, I see what's going on here. All right. This is the medieval series that they just started. Medieval Legends. Let me move that to the side there. This is the display case. Now, if any of you are familiar, Provident has done stuff like this with the Horsemen of the Apocalypse, also the Dragon series, and now they're doing the Medieval Legends series. And they actually have this really cool display case. Thank you, JM, for sending this to me. And I don't want to pull this off. So I think it just slides off like that. Okay, it's got JM Bullion there. And let's see. Okay, and so there's where the rounds will be. And it's, I guess they just stack one on top of the other like so. And I think there's room down below if you wanted to take that last one out. Let's see, what did they send me? Now, there looks like there's some copper in here. It looks like there is some silver. There is going to be a chance to win. Let's see. All right, so, wow, they sent me a bunch. They got Robin Hood. All right. Let's cut this open. Robin Hood was the first in the series. And then, all right, so there we go. We've got Robin Hood. There's another Robin Hood, and then Pied Piper. All right, so first let's show Robin Hood. Here is the Robin Hood round. As you can see, you got Robin Hood there with the bow and arrow drawn. Really, really cool. And on the back, it looks like, stained glass window and a desk of somebody. You got the quill there, the sword or dagger, if you will. And then here you've got the Pied Piper. Very, very cool. As you can see right there, he's playing his little flute. I'm not sure as to the Pied Piper story, but I'll probably read up on that just to get a little bit more info. That way, when it comes time for the auction, 7 p.m. Tuesday evenings, 7 p.m. Eastern, definitely check them out. I will know a little bit more about the story of the Pied Piper. Here's one more Robin Hood and one more Pied Piper. So let me just cut this. Actually, I don't want to cut that off. Let's do this. Now, being that it came straight from JM, I do not necessarily feel the need to analyze everything on the Sigma. I do want to get my glove, and then I will check out what's inside the tube there of copper. But very cool that they sent this to me. So here we have Pied Piper. I'm going to say Rowdy Roddy Piper. Would that be wrong? Rowdy Roddy Piper? All right. All right. Let's get the... there they are. All right. 39 millimeters for the rounds is what's needed. Let's get that off. Okay, so gonna grab our Pied Piper, put them right in the right inside the capsule. Boom. All right, listen to that crunchy sound. All right, let's grab a Robin Hood. And then we're going to check out the copper. We got Robin Hood. Put them in this one. All right. Why? I don't know. Habit. I'm just going to quickly put Robin Hood in there. All right. So it looks like they're going to have at least 10 in this series for the Medieval Legends. So just take your first in the series. Boom. Fits in really, really nicely. Let's get another one in here. Because one of these, actually, maybe two of them, we'll see. We're going to give away some of them. In fact, why don't you look for the code right now down below. And that is the code that you're going to have to type in during one of my YouTube auctions. You're going to have to tune in order to claim the prize. There we go. Pied Piper. Put them right there. Very cool. Makes for a cool presentation. You can put it right there in the box like so. So now in here, what did we get? I'm going to assume, because they did make copper ones for these, I'm going to assume that they're probably copper for each. But you know what happens when you assume, right? Sometimes you make mistakes. Let's see. Yeah. All right, let's get that off. Get that off. All right, styrofoam. And there we go. We got copper rounds. We got Robin Hood, pure copper rounds, Robin Hood, and then we got Pied Piper. So I will be giving away a set of the copper and silver Pied Pipers, and I will be giving away a set of the Robin Hood copper and silver as well. So you're going to want to definitely tune in. You're going to want to make sure that you type in the code as you see down below on the screen. Put it there one more time just for you. And are you buying these rounds for your collection? There's not as much buzz on these as there were for the Horsemen of the Apocalypse, or the Zombucks, if you will, but it's definitely a cool series. The Medieval Legends, it's something that, at least it's something new to the stacking world. We've been doing so much in the way of, just pandas, koalas, things like that. At least this is a new subject matter. And for those of you that like to collect, definitely want to check these out on JM Bullion's website. Again, the link is down below. And again, tune in for one of the upcoming auctions where you're going to have your opportunity to win a set of the silver and copper Pied Piper rounds and a set of the silver and copper Robin Hood, first in the series. All right, guys, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the Medieval Legends series from JM Bullion. And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.